What's going on, guys? Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. No complaints here. We're home alone with the little one. Wife's working on 1 to 5 today, and one of our friends offered to babysit because usually Wednesdays she goes and plays with her friends' kids. They're like one's the same age and one's like a year younger, so it works out. So they'll be gone until like 5. She gets up at 5. So I'll be back at like 5:36ish. So I need these push-ups in, and then honestly, hopefully, we're trying to get a workout done right now too, and it's gonna be done for the day. Not to work out later on, which is not a big deal if we have to. His naps haven't been too long. Like in the midday, his naps have only been like an hour to like an hour and a half. So I'm a little worried that he'll wake up during the workout. It's my biggest concern, but we'll play it by ear. Kitty will cat one time real quick. Good. It's like a nice, cool, like low 70-degree day right now. Wind is blowing. It was storming earlier. Probably gonna storm again here soon. So let's get these push-ups in and then figure out if we can get a workout in or not right now. Oh, Piper. He's so sweet. Ooh-wee. Oh. Has a minor irritation in the back from yesterday's workout. We had it a long time ago too. We did squats. Finally got some yard work done over there. Was able to pull a massive amount of weeds. What's our plan for the next couple of days? Because it's supposed to be 70s and 60s. Is while it's wet, we're gonna pull the weeds that we can, and then pull the crabgrass out, mow on Saturday, then replant some seeds. Oh, it's already starting to rain. It's okay. A little sprinkle won't kill us as long as there's no downpour. There you go, it's starting to rain now. The phone should be safe. It's under my grill. I never worked on the rain. Interesting. Like I said, as long as it's not a huge downpour, we're okay. So right now it's just a little sprinkle, so no big deal. My cat's not liking it though. She's like, why'd I come out here? But in Idaho, the rain fluctuates pretty heavily. They'll start sprinkling and downpouring for like 15-20 minutes and then stop. Alright, now we're getting some rain. Alright. Might be up by the time we get inside. It's okay. It's okay. A little rain never hurt us, man. A little wet, it's okay. Sorry, Pies. Came out at the wrong time, you know? Dog doesn't even care. It would be bad if I had like a jacket or sweatshirt on. I mean, something to stop it right in my back. It's a little cold in the back. Alright, y'all, last two. Woo! Alright. You know what? Okay. I had the windows open, so I closed the windows. Look, you're going outside? Okay. Dog went outside, but my cat did not want to go outside. Let's look at that. She'll go outside when we go outside, though, for sure, usually. That was brutal. We're cranking, but at the intro, we're at 6 minutes. That's because we're not sweating too bad out here. See, it's already slowing down. I know this weather is very strange. Very, very strange. That's one, boy. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. Come on, last hand. Woo! Burning. Burning. There we go, y'all. Little raining on top of us. You have to get moving. Peace out.